Looks like that's going to go there. Right, what's next? We've got a couple of screws for something there, a couple of screws for something there, 3 screws for something there. Rightio, what do we got? We want 4 of something. We'll go and get something to put on. Okay, so we've got 4 screws required for this one. This one might only take 3. So, yep, 3. I'll be happy enough with that. 3 going in there. And then we've got 4 screws left. One without a washer. And one of them's bigger than the other. Okay, so one goes up here to hold this puppy into something. Rightio. So it looks like we're missing some screws for here. Which ones are we? Are we going to be the short ones or the long ones? Oh no, there's one already in there. We'll go to gold. We've already got one in here. Ha ha ha! Bonus. Okay. Okay, so that'll give us an indication of what it's supposed to be. So up the top here, we want those. Yep. So assuming that. Yeah. Do the bottom ones go longer? Can they go longer? I don't know. Let's see. I don't know, man. Did I put the wrong screws into the coil? We're coming out the other side yet? Or not? Oh, we are. Okay. So, yeah, so that one there needs to be on something that sits up 10 mils. So, what we might have to do is see if the ones into the coil are longer. Let's pull it out. So, see what length these ones here are, well, hopefully without breaking out. Change it one at a time, it might be okay. Yes, yes, maybe. Let's see. Still going, so must be the case. Okay. Lucky I found that before we went too much further, hey? Yep. Give that one a bit of a wipe. looking good. Right. What's that one? This one. Oh, it's starting to look like something now. So far we've only changed the one coil. Apparently the smart thing is to replace both at the same time because it's a Shindiawa. I don't know that case, but this was the one that was hanging off. The other one doesn't look like it's been pulled out yet, so see, Billy, this is why you wear gloves. It wasn't as crusty this morning. Since all that degrease has gone on there, alkaline based blah blah stuff. It's probably had a bit of a chew at it. Alright, let's have a look. Now I didn't gap this. I don't know what the gap is. I should find out. It might tell me in there. Let's just go with it. Let's just go with it. I wonder if I can just pull that now. See if I've got a spark. Got a spark. So, that's good. I want to stick that back in there. What size is that? Something like that 3/4. Ooh, crusty looking. Sometimes there's a 3/4, and it is. Yeah. Now, I'm sure there's some panels to go back on here before this all gets put back into place. 1 and 0, so 1 is on. Like that. Does that go this way? Yeah. What goes where? Eh? What goes where? Oh, that goes on here, that goes on here, so I don't know what goes next. This thing? Sounds fair, doesn't it? Try and rub a bit of oil back into the plastic. That doesn't look all oxidised. Let's see if it just wants to be there. Not going to get that on there, am I? Am I going to get that on there? No, it needs to go on afterwards. Come on, careful. I don't think it's going to be that. They're 4mm now, aren't we? Go up a size. Go up one size, boy. Well, that one there seems a bit funny. I might just have a make sure I don't cross thread that. Right, that one off, that one off. Come on. Yeah, it looked like it was starting to play up, that one. Huh. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh. Okay. Put that on there. Now, there, that goes on there. Seems to work. Put that on here. Put it on here first, and then on there. Okay, so clean a bit of shit off here. Alright, so I'll get these horrible glasses off. Ugh, give me a headache. Now let's see. We probably can give it a start without anything on it. Okay. Should have a look and see what, if any, fuel. So it's got something. I think I'm going to drain that. Tip it out. Evened out, tip it out. Right, I need some fuel, but I think I need a fresh batch. Let's see. Okay, we'll mix up a fresh batch of fuel. We want 150 mils of this good stuff for 5 litres. That should give us a 33:1. I'll try these other glasses. Maybe they don't give me quite the same headache. Oh, that's probably better already. Okay, so I'm going to want, I'll go 80 and 80. It's just too much, so I'll go 80 and 70. See if I can pull out 70 in here. Yeah, that's 70. Yeah. Right. Now I need 5 litres of premium. Good. I'll come back to you when I've done that. Alright. Looks like I just dropped you down there. Might have been the first time I've dropped a DJI camera and it's actually done some damage. There might be a little speck on the front of the ground. But it dropped from here down onto the steel bench, bounced twice, landed on the concrete and rolled on the rocks down to there. So not bad, not bad. I mean, there's a certain number of points I probably should be allocating. Most of it's yeah, it'll just be a lens cap. I'll just buy a new little lens cap thing and it'll be all good. So let's put some fuel in this thing. Just don't mind the little, I'd imagine there's a little, try to pick it off. Yeah, it still feels like there's something there. Right, I'll call that enough. I'll call that enough. Now, I'm not going to put any oil in just yet. I'll wait till I do the so let's give this a red hot go. I'm hoping that's been tightened up. Yeah, feels like it's got some compression. Do these have a decompression? I don't think they do. Let's chuck a bit of choke on, the switch is on. Let's give it a go, eh? See if it starts. Okay. We'll call that good. We can move on to the next procedure, which is there we can get the chain on. And this bar. See if we can find something to clean it out. Here we got a ruler. This will be good. Oh yeah. Bit of crusty stuff coming out of there. Get this on the old kerosene blower and blow out some of those holes as well, eh? Yeah. Can you see there's a lot of coming out of here? There was anyway. Alright. Oh, it's a bit. Got a few burrs. A few burrs. Yeah, put you on here. And yeah, we've got a few burrs. You can't see that, can you? I can't see it, so I can just feel it. There's a few burrs on here, so let's see what we can do. Okay. That's the worst of it. The sides are right. The side's going to become the bottom now. It's the bottom side that cops all that wear, sort of flattens down, pushes all the metal out when you're laying into a log. Gets hot, pretty hot, especially when it's smoking. You're probably doing some damage to your bar when it's smoking. Don't smoke your bars. With a little tip from Uncle Jimbo. That'll do. Right, we're going to blow that out. Got all that cleaned up, blown out, and that's going to be the bottom side now. That one's done all the work. So, looks like we've had a little bit of glue up job in here, a little bit of araldite. It's been an issue. Right, this is going to be right. What do we got here? Okay, that's good. Let's get most of that cleaned off. You don't need all of that oil on that. Okay. Okay, yeah, there's a fair bit of meat on that. What we're also going to do is we're going to force a little bit of something into here. I mean, I could actually put grease in here. Feels like it needs a bit of grease. Let's see if we can get a little bit in there. It's like packing wheel bearings. Okay. Oh yeah, we'll put a little bit of oil into this little oil hole here. I always put a little bit of oil on every time I start a chainsaw, or every time I usually put a little bit of oil on. Every time I refill the oil, a little bit of oil goes on there. That way, It gets to suck into that bearing, whatever is in there, bearing or bush. Quite often they're roller bearings of some sort. Alright. Oregon 180 SL GK 041, so it's a 325, 72, so 0.325. Right out. Let's chuck that on there. Get out of here, come on. Come on. Righto. So what I'll do is I'll get that. That into there. That into there. That. Come on. Whew. Righto. Can I get my hands clean in time? This is why they have gloves. Yeah, babe. Okay. Okay, babe. Yep. Okay, we'll do. Alright. I'll see you in a minute then. See you, babe. Bye. See, that would have been much easier. If I had gloves on, I would have been able to get that phone much quicker. That's why, Billy, the young fellas these days have gloves on, so they can get to their phone quick. There we go. Okay. So the next bit, neck bit. Okay. Well, my bench isn't going to rust for a while. So let's see about putting that on there. It's, well, it's 3/4, yeah, same as the spark plug. That's why they do it that way, isn't it? Just work that out. I just worked that out right now. my saw sit flat? It does. Ah, it's bent and broken. I see, the handle is bent and broken. Rightio, that's what it is. Let's fix that as well. Yeah, the hand, yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. So, let's just get a little bit of chain action going though. I'll lift that up. Let's just get a little fraction more. So I can't lift too much there. That chain's gonna loosen up. It felt like a little rusty. Okay. Oh, that muffler is. Have a look here, the muffler. It's all crusty there. I wonder what a muffler's worth. Mine's different. Oh no, it's not. No, it's not. Right, so we're going to want a bit of oil in this time. We'll do for now. Oh, these glasses. Terrible. I'll put these ones on though, in case the chain flies off. My eyes will be protected. There we go. So let's go and give this a yeah. Get a lot of compression. Okay. Need to let the boss know it's going. Alright. Where's good? This thing about, eh? Oh, yeah. She's good. Got a couple more bits to get for it, boss, and then it's all good. That's a successful thing, isn't it? So, what we got to do now is I've got to do something with the air filter and this little pre-filter. I'll clean that out and I'll get another filter in. I'll look at the Yeah, it's spinning much freer now. That's probably okay. It needs a sharpen, and need to fix that bend on here. I'll take this off and straighten it. It's taking a hit here. It's been dropped or something. So getting close. Oh, and then we've got to take the we've got to put a new spring on the recoil thing. So we're gonna get that. Maybe some stuff for that. That's it. We're good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Just getting my neighbour saw going. Now I can get back to my own righto. But he looks after me pretty good, so you know, like yeah. Probably owe him a fair bit more than just a couple of chainsaw fixes. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll come back to something else in a minute. Unless I take a break. I might take a break. I've got a headache from wearing glasses. Alright. Jim Bob out. 6 months into the future at least when we're editing this video for the chainsaw fix-up job for my neighbour. And it took a while for the parts to come in. There was a few little bits for the jigger thing that, you know, the pull cord spring, and the stickers I ordered still haven't come. I was sort of making a point there. I ordered the stickers, but they never come yet. They may. I ordered them. So that the 488 sticker for the side of the machine never came yet. What else didn't come? There was a couple of things that didn't come. You know, it's really hard to get parts these days. I ordered some special screws, the actual screws for the bottom of the handlebar thing. I was waiting for a couple more things to come, but my neighbour needed the saw for a job, so I said, yeah, come on up, and we didn't film it while putting it together. Basically pulled that handle off, straightened it up as best we could, used one of those, that's why I ordered some special screws, because I just like them to be the same screws as they're supposed to have. I put in the extra screws that I bought. I think one of the screws was broken off in there, and I don't know whether we at that time got that out. It probably needed to be drilled out, but we at least straightened it up, and we did something anyway there. So we got the handlebars all fixed up so that it was on properly. We got this spring in. He was going to put, or did he might have, I think he already had a new chain for it, so I think he bought that up. We threw that on, and it was funny that he actually asked me what fuel mixture do I use, you know, and I thought, maybe everyone doesn't, you know, understand the importance of getting that right. I mean, I sort of had another video just back, and I probably didn't go into it enough there, but it was, I couldn't get all my saws running because I made the mistake that I never make, of getting my mixture wrong, only because I didn't have enough fuel on hand that day. So I put in 150 mils of oil to 5 litres of petrol, and that gives a mixture of 33 to 1, and you know, so that's all pretty good. So anyway, that's it. The saw's all good. It's all gone back to work, and it's working well. So anyway, that's all I want to say, and hey, thanks for watching. Cheers, guys. Bye.
Baby blue, baby blue, I've been hoping you'd say that you'd still find a way into my heart, baby blue. Yabba dabba doo.